Wetland. What is a wetland? Wetland is a place in which the land is covered by water, whether the water is salty, fresh, or somewhere in between, either seasonally or permanently. It functions as its own distinct ecosystem. Wetlands are of many forms like river, marshes, bogs, mangroves, ponds, swamps, lagoons, lakes, and floodpoints. Wetlands are popularly known as nature's kidneys. They trap pollutants such as phosphorus and heavy metals in their soil, transform nitrogen into a form that is easier for plants to take in, and it traps carbon, which in other way prevents the climate change. The most importantly, it also recharges the groundwater level. Recognizing the importance of wetlands, there is a need of a convention, and the negotiation for the convention started in the 1960s by the different countries and NGOs for the protection of wetlands and their resources. Finally, the Ramsar Convention came into existence. It was signed on 2nd February of 1971 in the Iranian city of Ramsar, and it came into force in 1975. Dr. Heinz Lucas Hoffmann is known as the father of Ramsar Convention, and 2nd February is now celebrated as the World Wetland Day. At present, we are having more than 2500 of Ramsar sites, which is covering more than 257 million hectares of land. अभी तक लगभग 170 से भी ज़्यादा देश रामसर कन्वेंशन को साइन कर चुके हैं, जिसमें हम देखते हैं यूनाइटेड किंगडम में सबसे ज़्यादा रामसर साइट है और ऑस्ट्रेलिया वो देश है जो सबसे पहले इस ट्रीटी को अपनाया और जिसको इम्प्लीमेंट किया. इंडिया हैज साइन द ट्रीटी on 1st February of 1982. At present, India is having 75 Ramsar sites in different states of India. Among them, the first ones are Chilka Lake of Odisha and Keoladev National Park of Rajasthan. Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh altogether have 7 Ramsar sites. Among them, we are seeing Uller Lake of Jammu Kashmir. It is one of the largest freshwater lakes in Asia. It is sited in Bandipora district in Jammu and Kashmir. The lake basin was formed as a result of tectonic activity and is fed by the Jhelum river. हिमाचल प्रदेश में हम 3 रामसर साइट देख रहे हैं, चंद्रताल, पोंगडेम लेक और रेणुका लेक. इनमें से चंद्रताल पौराणिक कथा के अनुसार वही स्थान है जहां भगवान इंद्र ने युधिष्ठिर जी को स्वर्ग के लिए ले गए थे. इसके बाद पोंगडेम लेक, जिसे हम महाराणा प्रताप सागर रिजर्वायर कहते हैं, जो ब्यास नदी पे बना हुआ है, ये हाईएस्ट अर्थ फिल्ड रिजर्वायर है इंडिया में. इसके बाद हम देख रहे हैं रेणुका लेक, जो भगवान परशुराम के माता के नाम पे ये लेक का नाम है. ये भगवान परशुराम का जन्म स्थल भी माना जाता है, जो खुद भगवान विष्णु के एक अवतार थे. इसलिए एक हिंदू धर्म के पवित्र तीर्थ स्थल के रूप में भी इसे जाना जाता है. The first Ramsar site of Uttarakhand is Asan Barrage. It is a barrage in the Uttarakhand Himachal Pradesh border region in Doon Valley, situated at the confluence of the eastern Jamuna Canal and the Asan River. This is a home to many rare and endangered species and a significant wintering ground for migratory birds. In Gujarat, there are 4 Ramsar sites, in which Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary near Ahmedabad, Thol Lake Bird Sanctuary in Mehsana district, Vadwana Lake near Dhavoi in Vadodara district, and Khejadiya Bird Sanctuary in Jamnagar district. Among them, Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary is the largest wetland bird sanctuary in Gujarat and one of the largest in India. Sanctuary is a home to more than 250 species of migratory birds. Punjab is having 6 Ramsar sites, which include the Kesopur Miani Community Reserve, the BS Conservation Reserve, which one is the first river conservation site, Nangal, Ropar, Harike and Kanjli. Harike is the largest Ramsar site of Punjab. These sites are home for many endangered species. Especially the BS River Conservation Site is the home for the Indus dolphin. Rajasthan is having two Ramsar sites, Keoladev National Park and Sambar Lake. Keoladev National Park of Rajasthan, which is famously known as the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. It is along with Chilka Lake of Odisha were recognized as the first Ramsar site of India. Another Ramsar site is the Sambar Lake, which is the India's largest inland saline wetland system. It is located in Sambar Lake town near Ajmer. The lake has been designated as Ramsar site for the migratory bird and some endangered. Uttar Pradesh is having second largest number of Ramsar sites, that is number 10. Though it is having more than 100 wetlands, but among them 10 are designated as Ramsar site. We are having Hyderpur wetlands, which is a man-made wetland formed in 1984 by the construction of Madhya Ganga barrage on a floodplain of river Ganga. In the year 2020, during the first Hyderpur Bird Festival, around 27,000 birds were witnessed by birdwatchers. The Cover Lake is Asia's largest oxbow lake, situated in the Begusarai district of Bihar. It is a residual oxbow lake formed due to the meandering of Gandak river, a tributary of Ganga. The area of this wetland decreased drastically from 6,786 to 2,032 hectares in 2012. The state of Tamil Nadu is having largest number of Ramsar sites, that is 14. Among them we are having here the Pellikarnai Marsh Reserve Forest. This freshwater marsh and partly saline wetland situated about 20 kilometers south of the city of Chennai serves as an aquatic buffer of the flood-prone Chennai. It is a home or habitat for many types of birds, reptiles and fishes. The state of Odisha is having 6 Ramsar sites. Among them, Chilka is the first Ramsar site of India along with Keoladev National Park. Chilka Lake is the largest brackish water lagoon in Asia and second largest coastal lagoon in the world. It is the largest wintering ground for migratory birds on the Indian subcontinent. The lake is the home for a number of threatened species of plants and animals like Irrawaddy dolphin. Other rare and threatened animal species identified here are green sea turtle, dugong, spoon-billed sandpiper and Chilka limbless skink and fishing cat. Another wetland of Odisha is Ansupa, a small freshwater oxbow lake formed by Mahanadi river. It is known nationally for its scenic beauty and rich biodiversity. Some 194 species of birds, 61 fish species and 244 macrophytes are supported by this wetland. West Bengal has highest number of small wetlands. It is more than 13 lakh, but among them 2 are listed in Ramsar site. That is, first one is the East Kolkata wetland. The East Kolkata wetland is situated in the eastern part of Kolkata city. It is a rural urban fringe that covers an area more than 12,000 hectares. This is an example of how natural wetlands are sometimes being utilized in developing countries. Using the purification capacity of wetlands, the city of Kolkata has pioneered a system of sewage disposal. It is also a site for fishery of fish culture. This is a natural sewage treatment plant, hence it is known as the kidney of Kolkata city. Second wetland, which is world famous, Sundarban. It is a network of estuaries, tidal rivers and creeks intersected by numerous channels. It encloses flat, densely forested, marshy islands. It is partially situated in Bangladesh and a part situated in India. The Sundarban is of universal importance for globally endangered species including the Royal Bengal tiger, Ganges and Irrawaddy dolphins, estuarine crocodiles and critically endangered endemic river terrapin. It is the only mangrove habitat in the world for Panthera tigris species. Government of India has launched the Save Wetlands Campaign aims to enable affirmative action for wetlands conservation by taking a whole of society approach. Amrit Dharohar scheme. This scheme was announced in 2023-24 budget for a period of 3 years. Recognizing the importance of wetland, this scheme aims to promote their optimal use.